Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Make sure you're on an admin account so changes stick. Open the Start menu by pressing the Windows key or clicking Start, then type Device Manager into the search field. This first action locates the management console quickly. You avoid navigating through control panel menus. Once done, glance at the search results list to confirm Device Manager appears under Apps. If it's missing, make sure you typed both words and that Windows indexing is active. Now proceed to launch it in a way that gives you required permissions. Right-click Start or press Windows plus X to open the Power User menu, then choose Device Manager to run it directly. This method avoids extra clicks. Alternatively, press Windows plus R to open Run, type DevMint. MSC and press OK. That opens the same console immediately. These approaches are faster and more reliable than hunting through settings. Make sure you use the admin account if prompted for consent. Finish by inspecting devices. Expand a category, then right-click an entry to update drivers, view properties, or disable hardware. Once done, use Scan for hardware changes to detect newly attached devices, or choose Uninstall Device and Reboot to force a driver reinstall. If Device Manager won't open at all, reboot first, then run System File Checker with sfc/scanno to repair corrupted system files. If problems persist, make sure your account has admin rights and try launching from safe mode.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.